Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to give you 10 fast facts of things you need to know before you buy a Cricut Maker that they don't tell you in the store. Number 1, you need to design everything online. Number 2, design space is very basic and limited. Number 3, you need a fast computer and fast internet for bigger projects. Number 4, maximum cut is around 11 inches by 23 inches. Number 5, fabric cutting mats are not big enough to cut shirts, pants, dresses, and any adult size clothing. Number 6, print and cut is restricted to around 7 inches by 10 inches. Number 7, mat and blade replacements are frequent and expensive. Number 8, fabric mat lasts 40 uses before you have to tape objects down. Number 9, print and cut is not supported on Android phones or tablets. Number 10, all your designs are saved on the cloud. So that's it for the 10 things you need to know before you buy a Cricut Maker. The one that caught me off guard the most was number 1, you need to design everything online. If you do not have internet connection, you will not be able to design anything with a Cricut Maker. So hopefully that helped you out. If it did, please remember to subscribe and to like this video, and I'll see you on another video.